What's your name?
Moon.
Vivian?
Yeah, Raven.
How old are you?
3.
Say 2.
2.
So I'll be 2 in 2 weeks. 2.
2.
And what's your favorite color?
Red.
Red?
Yeah, red.
Oh. And what's your sister's name? Is it Hattie?
Just
Babe, I love you.
Harry.
Hattie, I love you.
I ate it.
I love you.
I ate it.
Say bye-bye.
I
Say love you.
love you.